Hindi ako magiging hulas this day. Ayun yung mga sigaw ng mga tao. Alam nyo na. It's just called butter beer, pero wala talaga siyang beer. Till the next hotel that we're going to stay in. Good morning guys, fit check. So today's Universal Studios day and transfer ako ng hotel, so I'm gonna put this in my bags na. These tags guys, make sure mo na pasok siya sa bag mo. So definitely kailangan mo siya i-lock ng ganito because iiwan mo tong bag na to sa lobby nyo. So yes, that way. Ang dalawang takot na maiwan. Morning! USG time kami. Excited?
Yeah.
While I'm gazing through my window tonight.
It's my first time sa Universal Studios Japan.
Oh, is it? I thought it's your second.
No, parang Osaka, ilang beses na ako pumunta, almost every year. Pero hindi ako nag-theme park, so I'm so excited. Buti na lang bigyan ako ng experience ng ito. First time namin kanto. Si Mommy Joanna lang aming tour guide at alam na alam niya lahat. Guys, mag-ride ako. Kasama ko si Mommy Joanna kasi siya lang yung game.
Yeah.
Sa lahat ng mga roller coasters, samahan niya ako.
So scared!
Oh my God, kung scared ka, okay lang.
Hindi, kaya ko.
Okay.
Like, it's adrenaline siya. Tas,
Correct!
hindi, parang magsisisi ka pag di mo
Yes!
tinay.
Agree. Totoo yan. Okay. Meron kaming express pass.
Yeah.
Kaya very important na may express pass. I mean, kung kaya ng budget, di ba? Why not? Oh my gosh, pang bata to. Alam to ni Joanna, that for sure. As a mom,
Dito kami. Kasi
For
kasama
sure.
ko yung 2-year-old ko before. Dito talaga kami nag-enjoy.
kaya nanakawin ko siya today kasi sasama siya sa lahat ng roller coasters.
Para maiba naman.
Para maiba, correct. Guys, lahat to yung mga pangbata na rides. Ang cute dito, may mga Sesame Street, may Hello Kitty, and almost all of those fun rides. Perfect time pumunta dito pag malamig yung panahon kasi kahit may araw, hindi mo na-feel na mainit. Like, di ba kanina pa ako naglalakad sa araw. It's okay.
Mga 3 hours more hulas na kami.
Hindi. I beg to disagree. Hindi ako magiging hulas this day. Lalaban ako. Guys, Harry Potter na tayo. Ayan na. I can see Hogwarts. The rides na kami. And this is it. So, pasok tayo dito with the rides. Guys, tapos na. So, sobrang fun niya. So, you have to ride it. Kasi parang 4D siya. So, naka-seat kayo, nakaupo, pero sobrang ganda niya. For me, you have to go. Nakatapos ko lang. Enjoy, especially if you're a Harry Potter fan. Kailangan mo talaga siyang mag-ride. Marami ka lang. Naubos ko na to, oh my gosh. Non-alcoholic pa na.
Yeah.
It's just called butter beer, pero wala talaga siyang beer, non-alcoholic. Now we're going to Super Mario as in, kasi nandito na si Mario at si Luigi.
Yes, ready na sila.
Ready na kami mag-show. We're done with Harry Potter. Now let's go to the other side. Guys, ito yung dapat inuuna nyo, ang Super Mario kasi ang dami talaga. Pero masaya. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Guys, yan yung inaabangan nating ride. That one. Ayun si Mario at si Luigi. Basta kami sa Mario, sobrang saya niya talaga. So yes na yes na yes. Sobrang big yes to this. As in, masaya, masaya. Guys, kakain kami dito sa cafe. Kasi it's Super Mario Brothers theme. So that's one thing that you also can come. Kain talaga kayo sa ganito. It might be pricey, pero para sa bata, sulit naman yan. Guys, we got the perfect seat here dahil kay Chuck and Johto. Sabi nila, no!
Sabi namin kamag-anak po namin si Mario at Luigi.
So, nakuha nila tong chair. O, diba? And guys, ito talaga gusto ko. Mario. My favorite. I love it. Arigato. Masarap tong Fuji. We're going to the Minions naman na. Sarap! Mango and banana. Guys, ang ganda nitong ride ito kay Minion. As in, it's really good for the kids, for the family. Talagang interactive talaga siya. So you have to try it out, okay?
Alam mo, sayang kung hindi natin.
Huwag ka makakahabol tayo, hindi magka-close yan. Ipapabukas natin to. Charot. Hanggang hindi kami makaride ni Johanna ng kailangan namin.
Dinosaur,
Jaws.
Sayang kasi yung express
Oo
pass.
nga,
Hindi
kukunin natin yan. Hindi namin sasayahin ni Johanna yan.
Buti na lang may kabady-bady ako dito na game.
Yes!
Damn!
Guys, we're going to ride Jaws. Ito yung iniintay ko. Napakatagal ko itong gusto intayin pero ang daming tao. Tingnan mo naman ang pila, guys. Pero tatakbo tayo and meron tayong fast pass. Guys, immersive experience talaga siya and favorite ko kasi nasa tubig ka. So yes to Jaws, you have to try it. Ito na. Guys, Jurassic Park na kami. Bili ka na! Eto na, nabuhayan na ako, guys. Ayan, ang saya niyan. Ganyan, dapat lang. Guys, na-enjoy nila lahat. O, diba? Na-enjoy nila lahat to. O, diba? Na-enjoy. Good job!
Para kay Jax, actually.
The best. I'm telling you, ang ganda nito.
Pag nandito ka na, gawin mo na.
Gawin nyo na. Pag nandito, yes! Ayun yung mga sigaw ng mga tao. Alam nyo na. Guys, ito naman gabi na. Ang ganda, grabe. Guys, ito may interactive area dito sa Harry Potter. Pag sa gabi, I recommend punta kayo dito. Kasi may fire tong sa bahay. O yan o guys, nakita mo ang lakas ng fire na yan. Ang galing ng bata. But you have to have that one. Ang galing niya, ang galing. Gawa namin lahat ng kailangan gawin for work. Pero nasakyan rin namin lahat ng pwedeng sakyan. Ay wow, ang ganda pa sa labas oh. Ang dami pang bukas. Grabe, ang ganda. Guys, at night, these are all open. So you have Shake Shack pa dyan. Tapos meron pang other kinds of restaurants there that you can eat. Guys, ayan oh, ang dami oh. Oh my gosh, may Tully's, Gongcha. Guys, yan yung Hotel o Singularity. Yan. Tapos ito na ang entrance mo ng Universal Studios. Yun na yan. Wow, oh. Guys, ito yung hotel namin which is just beside USJ. As in, may spa rin yan. Sky Spa si Singularity. And then, ito is your station na. This is your JR station. And then, entrance mo is just around super short walk. Yun na yung USJ mo. Ganun lang kalapit. Your tickets here, o diba lahat ng mga kailangan mo nandiyan na yan. JR train station mo is there as well. And then there's a 7-Eleven on the right side and then Lawson on the left side. Okay. This is where you get get your amenities. So, dito mo siya lahat kukunin if ever you need it. Nandyan yung lahat. Para walang waste din. So, ayan na yung mga luggage namin. O, diba? Na-deliver na. O, sakto. Pag check-in mo, nandyan na siya lahat. I'm staying at the Singularity dito sa may Universal Studios. So, eto na yung room tour natin. I'm gonna go and show it to you. Oh my God. Look, pagpasok mo. Very similar kay Candeo Namba siya. Kasi nga, it's one group of hotels. So, you have your bed here. Yung bed ko here. Pas nakita nyo is double-double. O, diba? Then, you have yung, syempre, ang pinaka-importante mo, ang ganda din mo, Universal Studios, Japan, Singularity Hotel, and Sky Spa. That's your robe for the onsen sa taas. All of your bed, may saksakan po yan with the lamp. Diba? Night lamp. I'll show you how this works. If you twist it, guys, ayan o, papatay, and then mag-on siya. Guys, ang ganda nito. Lagi siyang may sofa and may photon. So, pakita ko sa inyo. You have a single, parang couch there, and then here, you can lie down there. Kung medyo madumi ka pa, ayaw mo pa maligo, o di dyan ka. And then, you also have, definitely, your ice bucket, your cups, lahat ng mga kailangan mo will be there. Now, you also have your phone, your water kettle, water, tissue, and definitely you have your own mini bar here as well. Diba? Everything's provided, everything that you need. Then the TV, nandyan rin siya. And then, ito rin yung kay Candeo. So, I believe and I'm sure masarap ang breakfast nito bukas. Nakakatuwa yan. Now, what else is provided here? Nandito rin lahat ng mga hangers mo. You have a spray, deodorizer spray yan for your damit. You have your shoe horn and then shoe polish and then your luggage rack here as well. O, diba? Now, the bathroom, guys. Ang laki ng bathroom niya. So, you have your bathtub. Guys, lahat ng mga shampoo nila is by Candeo or by Singularity Group. So, mabango yan, I swear. Kasi natry ko na yan, di ba? Hand wash mo, nandyan rin. Your cups, toothbrush, and even your hair dryer. And also other things like a sanitary bag. Now, fully automatic yung toilet with bidet, even the flush. And guys, not only that, meron siyang Sky Spa, di ba? Again, kung gusto mong mag-onsen, pwede ka dun sa taas mag-onsen. Ang ganda. I'm telling you. So, this is Singularity. Dito lang yan. Sa labas lang siyang Universal Studios Japan. Alam mo niyan, you can book it with Cloak. That's your quick room tour till the next hotel that we're going to stay in. This luggage service talaga is the best. Diba, yung luggage ko na dyan sa from hotel namin kanina, Candeo. Tapos ngayon, nandito na siya lahat. So, if ever you don't wanna carry, kung madami kayong magkasama, alam mo, just get the luggage service as an additional service para wala ka ng hirap. Kasi usually, if you're going to, let's say, hire a private van, paminsan, mas mahal pa yon. Pero kung marami kayo, sulit yun. Pero kung mag-isa ka, paminsan mas sulit, just pay for it na lang. Or kung hindi mo kaya mag-carry physically, diba? Ang ganda dito is may service na ganito. And alam mo, Japan yan, safe yung gamit mo. Yun lang masasabi ko, diba? Guys, ito yung hallway niya. So if you're going to stay, ganito siya. And not only that, each floor definitely will have their own ice machine. So pwede kang punguha dito ng ice mo. Guys, that logo is pay-per-view na movie. Oh my gosh, guys. Such an unhealthy dinner, but I love McDonald's. They're so cute, diba? Happy food to kasi sobrang pagod today. So guys, may vending machine sila here. And then, may drinks. And then guys, may ice cream. Look at all the ice cream. Häagen-Dazs lahat yan na. And you have your microwave and an ice machine. Tapos on this other side, nandito naman lahat ng laundry mo. Guys, coin siya. And ito yung price niya. O, diba? So, pwede ka maglaba dito. O, diba? And guys, see, you also have all of your different noodles. And you have vending machine as well. And then outside is like the whole view of Osaka. Diba? Cute, no? The gift shop. Laki. Harry Potter fans, super